Launch TCPro at desktop from computer or laptop. Click on the Request Access Code. Enter your email address and click Next. The confirmation message will prompt out. Now log into your email account. Click and open the email from TCPro on Trader Connect activation request. Please highlight and copy the activation code by using right-click, then select Copy. Now go back to TCPro and click Next. In the box of Access Code, right-click and select Paste, then click Next. Activation successful. Click Finish to complete and login back to TCPro.